goddamn get it on, will ya? Woo. When I blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in his rhymes, cause his memories. We running through New York, so you know.
Okay guys, it's time to cold start the M5. I'm gonna let you guys hear it when it first cold starts. Let's get in the car. And let's cold start this baby straight up. And there you have it guys, cold start is complete on the BMW E60 M5, and that's how it sounds with the back box delay. Beautiful.